Hi, I'm Haley Matson with McIntyre Elder Law, and today we're going to be talking about 5 things that I think are important as an estate planning and elder law attorney. So the first one is going to be, you don't want to wait too long. There's a lot of clients who come in that aren't prepared, they haven't prepared, and they're now in a Medicaid crisis situation. While McIntyre is equipped and prepared to handle those crisis cases, it's always good to be planning ahead. It takes the burden off most of your family members, takes the burden off your friends, and makes it easier for you. The second thing that I think is important is going to be getting your general durable power of attorney and your healthcare power of attorney done. People will come in and they might not have those, and those are the documents that are going to let your family members or whoever you designate that power of attorney to make those financial and healthcare decisions for you. The third thing that I think is important as an estate planning attorney is going to be not printing a will or trust document off the internet. A lot of those documents are not comprehensive and they don't cover most of the areas of estate planning that are actually important. At McIntyre, we do a whole binder full of documents for you, and we're up to date on all the latest regulations and statutes so that you can feel assured that your documents will work all the time. When you have a document that's printed off the internet, you don't know if it's going to work, and nobody wants to be in a situation where you go to the hospital and you have that healthcare power of attorney printed off of Google and then they deny it. That would not be good. The fourth thing I think is important as an estate attorney is knowing what you have. Knowing your assets and knowing what properties you have is integral to making a well-rounded estate plan. If you don't know what you have, we can't figure out where to put it, and we also can't figure out who to give it to. The fifth thing I think is important is kind of similar to the last one. You want to know who your stuff is going to, and you want to know who is going to be given those general durable power of attorney, healthcare attorney. You need to know who's in your life that you would like to be in those positions. Finding a trustee or a power of attorney is always going to be a difficult decision, but if you're thinking about it and have a decision in mind, it makes everybody's lives easier. If you need assistance with any of your estate planning, you can feel free to come into McIntyre Elder Law. Our phone number is 888-999-6600, or you can go to mcelderlaw.com/scheduling.